Hey there! Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're diving into the world of adjectives. We'll break down 5 important types of adjectives with simple examples to make learning easy and fun. And at the end, get ready for a fun quiz to test your knowledge. So, stay tuned and let's get started.
An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. The dog is big.
The cat is small.
Her dress is beautiful.
His shirt is ugly.
The water is cold.
The soup is hot.
This road is smooth.
That road is rough.
The mountain is high.
The valley is low.
The baby is happy.
The man is sad.
Her hair is long.
His hair is short.
The room is clean.
The kitchen is dirty.
The bed is soft.
The rock is hard.
The puzzle is easy.
The exam is difficult.
My house is larger than yours.
Your house is smaller than mine.
The test was easier than I expected.
The last test was harder.
She is happier today.
He looks sad today.
This car is faster.
That truck is slower.
The lake is deeper.
The pond is shallower.
This bag is heavier than that one.
That bag is lighter than this one.
Summer is warmer than winter.
Winter is colder than summer.
His joke was funnier than hers.
Her joke was more boring than his.
This road is wider than that one.
That road is narrower than this one.
The new phone is better than the old one.
The old phone is worse than the new one.
I have many apples.
He has few apples.
There is enough water.
There is little water left.
She ate the whole pizza.
He ate only half of it.
They have more candies.
We have less candies.
He solved all the problems.
She solved none of them.
She has several books.
He has only one book.
We need some sugar.
There is no sugar left.
He spent a lot of money.
She spent a small amount of money.
The store has plenty of chairs.
The store has only a few chairs.
I drank a full glass of juice.
He drank half a glass of juice.
This is my book.
That is your book.
Their car is expensive.
Our car is cheap.
His jacket is new.
Her jacket is old.
This is his idea.
That is their idea.
My phone is working.
Your phone is broken.
This is my seat.
That is your seat.
Her dog is friendly.
His dog is aggressive.
Our house is big.
Their house is small.
His laptop is fast. Her laptop is slow. My shoes are clean.
Your shoes are dirty.
This cake is delicious.
That cake is tasteless.
These shoes are comfortable.
Those shoes are tight.
This street is quiet.
That street is noisy.
These flowers are fresh. This book is interesting.
That book is boring.
This movie is exciting.
That movie is boring.
These apples are sweet.
Those apples are sour.
This chair is comfortable.
That chair is hard.
These curtains are beautiful.
Those curtains are faded.
This song is catchy.
That song is annoying. It's time to have quiz. Identify the correct type of adjective, descriptive, comparative, quantitative, possessive, or demonstrative, for each sentence.